We hear this a lot. How do you address what's your interest rate?
That's a great question because it's probably the most common question that people ask, right? If you go on Google and you search how to get a mortgage, it's going to tell you to call a bunch of lenders and get rate quotes. So the number one thing that I do is ask them if they're familiar with how interest rates work. Almost always, when you say, hey, tell me what you understand about interest rates. And they'll say, well, I know it impacts my monthly payment and that's about it. Okay. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is educate you on how the entire mortgage industry as a whole works, as well as interest rate shopping. And then, so what I'm going to do is give them a video. So now I'm educating them. They understand how it works and what the differences are between different kinds of lenders and that sort of thing. And in that same, in that same link is also a list of 8 questions to ask lenders as you shop around. And, from there, I'm happy to, I'll tell them, I don't want you to get a bad deal. I'm not telling you to take a higher rate to work with me. I'm happy to look at any competitor quotes. But unfortunately, in our industry, I would say advertised and quoted rates are misleading at best and confusing at best and misleading at worst.
Right.
So at the very least, if you're going to shop around, just get a fee worksheet or a loan estimate so that we can see what you're getting and what you're actually paying to get it. And then you can make an educated decision on what you want to do.